Ethan with SERVPRO in North Shasta, coming live to you from our fire cleanup mobile cleaning unit in Corning, California. Today we've started using our ultrasonic machine to clean a lot of these registers off the vents and whatnot. And what we found out is there's layers of paint from the previous homeowners. Now, the homeowner was wanting to keep these original because the house is from the 70s. So what we've done an ultrasonic dip with them, and as you can see, all the layers of previous paint just peel right off. That's because of that ultrasonic cleaning frequencies and obviously the cleaning agents we use along with the system. So we're able to restore these to original condition. You can't buy these anymore. If you find them, they're usually trash or they have 20 layers of paint on them. In this case, they had 20 layers of paint on them, and now they're going to be back to the original finish from the 1970s. So once again, SERVPRO comes through. Clean, restore, and renew. Here we go. Here we go again with these registers. Like I was saying in the previous video, the old paint just peels right off. It's almost like having a really, really white sunburn. Good thing is I'm white and I do sunburn, so I can relate. It's probably why I'm so good at peeling this paint off. But either which way, restored back to OE original condition. Homeowner's going to be stoked about maintaining the feel and the vibe in the house of that 70s vent plates and registers and whatnot. So, SERVPRO.